Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, June the 27th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles for today. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star. This one has 27 printed digits. This one 24 printed digits. It's a 4-star Sudoku. And we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, let me show you. Page number 4. Yeah, this guy is the leader of the Wagner group. Yevgeny Prigozjin. Yes, Prigozjin versus Putin, and Putin has won. Yeah, he's afraid, so run away to Belarus. So I was hoping that he was fighting against Putin, but it's a pity. So the war is still going on in Ukraine. All right, enough about the war. Sudoku and Medium, and number 6660. Yeah, 6660. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot of printed digits, 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if I can solve this in 14 or 13 minutes. All right, 2 minutes already passed, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 6. Alright, I need a 6 here. Come on. What's happening? Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 2 here. Well, need a 5 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Come on. 7. Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in this box. Here's 7 in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 7 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. And only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah, cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in the third row, so no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square, should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8, should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay, we have a pair, the 9 and the 1 in the first column, the 9 and the 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Alright. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8 now. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 9 and 3. Alright. Then 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Oh, right. 4. Okay. So now we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, first row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the third column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first, the second column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. 2 and 7. Yeah, 2 and 7. Let me think. Need a 2 here. Yeah, need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, and I need a 3 here also. Interesting. 3 and 5. 5, 3. Okay. And now need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 5. Yeah, need a 5 here. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Here we have 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this column. Well, here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only 2 places left for the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. So 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. 2, the 9, the 1, need a 1 here. 1, 3, 9. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And we have a pair, the 2 and 8 in this column, the 2 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 supposed to be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. The 8 in this column, 8 last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be there. Alright, 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 is supposed to be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column, middle row for numbers 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. A 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14. minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solve it again. And I like this movie, so really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening. Yes, for the other 4 puzzles in additional. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and yeah, see you tonight. Until then, bye bye for now.